If you have not been using the HTML node in n8n, you really have to start doing that because it's going to take your workflows to the next level. So here I have a simple workflow where I create a YouTube thumbnail. I'll have this whole workflow up in another video coming up soon. But what it does essentially creates a YouTube video, but I also wanted to create a description. So it has a title, description, all that stuff. But what I was having trouble with is that it was always rendering this, like you'll see here with the line breaks, and I wanted a beautiful way to show that, and I couldn't find any way to do that. It took a long time with me going back and forth with the AI, but finally I came up with this HTML node, and look at this. It actually rendered exactly what I wanted, a beautiful way to show something on n8n instead of having to go and take the data and then put it on another platform. Here it is, beautifully in n8n. And the best part about this is that it doesn't just use HTML, it also respects your CSS. So you can have a style tag and still render this as some kind of a beautiful output that you can use right away. And the reason this is so awesome is because now I can just copy, after the workflow finishes, it has the names of the YouTube videos that I want to create, and then it has all of the description, the custom description that I set, and all the tags that I set, but it has them in a very beautiful, elegant way that doesn't have the line breaks, the annoying n/line breaks that JSON uses. And I can just copy and paste this wherever I want. So in this instance, actually, this is the actual video that I was getting ready to upload, but I got inspired to create this workflow, and boom, here you go. Pasted that there. Let me remove some of those tags. It's a little too long, it looks like. And while we're at it, why don't we take this entire description and paste it right where it belongs. Right here, copy, paste, and there you go. And look at that. That's beautiful. So that's exactly how I wanted it. And remember, before this, I had to either just use JSON and push it out somewhere, or have to kind of deal with these these ugly line breaks. But now I don't have to do that. So in conclusion, I recommend strongly that you start using the HTML node if you haven't been doing that already on n8n, because you can get some beautiful things that look like this for your final output in your manual automations, and those automations that you're not setting it and forgetting it, and it is time-based, but more like the workflows and tools that you use one time just to help you out. You can get some beautiful output that you can actually use. All right, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like, hit the sub. You know what to do. Thanks a lot.